Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel, y'all, Chesh Yakshimash, Merry Christmas, Navidad, Bon Noel, I can't remember what it is in Welsh, Nadolig Llaweg, there we go, that's how you say it in Welsh, there we go. So today I have got these picture portraits with like LED lights in them. They are touch sensitive for you to turn them off and to turn them on. So this is ours. This is the one we've had a number of years. And my sister and brother-in-law bought one of these for my parents. Unfortunately, my parents passed away last year. So there was a number of things that we took from the house. And one of them was this. But unfortunately, it is not working. My dad used to buy the most cheapest batteries you could possibly buy, old person thinking, and left them in this, got stored away, and of course the batteries leaked and they have oxidized in the compartment where the the battery compartment, so it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you guys closer. We will see if we can fix these for Christmas and for my parents. So not holding up much hope, because these are quite delicate electronically bits in the back of it that could come undone. I don't know what we're going to do, if we're going to fix it or not, so we'll give it a go anyway and see if we can fix it. So let me get you guys closer up over the workbench and let's see if we can fix my old parents' Christmas picture. Okay, so I've got the picture here on the workbench. It is a kind of a print on canvas with tiny little holes, and inside the tiny little holes are the LED lights. It is put onto a picture framey kind of thing. Anyway, we've got a cardboard backing to it, and here we have the battery compartment, and I don't know if you can see inside there. But yeah, that is pretty oxidized. I've got 3 batteries here just to show that it doesn't work. If we turn it round, it doesn't work. Let's get the batteries out. Now, I have a feeling that this is just glued in, and then there's these little nails around the outside. So let me see if I can prise these off. I have a little spudgery thing here. I don't know if this is glued in. I'm just going to run the spudger around the edge. Let's just have a look. We might not have to take the back off if we're lucky. Right, there's all the fibre optics inside, and yeah, this looks very mucky, dirty. I think the best thing I can do is to unsolder these, clean up the metal, clean up this plastic, and then we'll give it a test. So it might be just a quick fix, we don't know. Let's have a look. But the first thing I need to do is to take off this, and I'm gonna with my soldering gun. There we go. So I'm gonna take off this, push these back, and then these metal things should pop out, and then we will give it a go. Right, let me get my soldering stuff. Okay, let's remove the old solder. Soldering is not my greatest skill. I used to do it in school. the wires removed. I will clean that up now. See if I can just clean this solder off this bit here. Come on. There we go. I think I have to take pictures of this as I go along. There we go. Now these bits. I hope they're not glued in. Looks like they're just wedged in. Let me get my little spiky thing. See if I can push these out. There we go. Excellent. So I got everything clean. I'll tidy these up after. Right, let's move this out of the way. Okay, so I got a jar and some white vinegar. So I'm going to put some white vinegar into this and leave these in. To clean. Ooh, I can see all the stuff coming off it. And I've got some tweezers and a toothbrush. It's fizzing away nicely. I'm going to leave these in too long because I don't want it to dissolve. Just want it to take the crap off. Right, I'm going to leave them in for a few minutes and then go inside and rinse it off. Okay, so I got all the bits cleaned up, nice and clean, nice and shiny, and I've also cleaned up the battery compartment as well. So now let's get this back together. Okay. Right, that looks like it's supposed to, I hope. Now, let's get these resoldered. I messed up that one nicely.
Motion detected at the front door.
Attach it. Someone please teach me how to solder. Do. Now, let's test it. Oh yes! Ha-ha! We got it working! Fantastic. Look at that. I think my dad will be happy now I got that fixed. Right, so all I've done is just push that in. Batteries are in. Turn it around, test it again. What have we done? Drop the battery. I knocked the wire off? I did! Yay! I knocked the wire off. Let's try it again. Right. Try again. Yes, okay, we got it working. Fantastic. Done. Fixed. I now have both pictures that will sparkle like they're supposed to. There we go. I'm going to write on the back original and fixed, so I know in future if it happens again I know which one to look at. But there we go. Very quick Christmas fixings for you guys today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.